In today's class, we'll discuss about the stack and queues. So, stack is a chunk of memory in which data elements are pushed and popped out in last in first out manner. So, for example, stack means how the stack is implemented in real time. For example, if I tell you people to submit a record, means how you submit. So the first student submit the record, and the top of that second student will submit the record, and the top of that third student will submit the record, and so on. No, so then this is the first inserted record, and this is the last inserted record. Consider this is first inserted and this is the last inserted record, submitted record. So if I take it for correction, correction, the topmost record, that is last inserted record is taken out first. If I take it for correction, this last inserted record is taken out first, na, that is last in first out. I take that first for correction. Last in first out manner. It works in a last in first out manner. Same like if we insert data into the stack means, so first the elements are inserted from the bottom. So the elements are inserted, and if you want to delete, okay, consider I inserted 10, 20, 30 and 40 to the stack, means if I want to delete, so that time while this will be called as top. Okay, while inserting the data, so this top is incremented and the second data is inserted, and we increment the top, and third element is inserted and we increment the top, the fourth one is inserted. If you want to delete, means we delete from the top is itself, that is topmost element is deleted first. Okay, that is, if you want to delete means the top is pointing to the last element. So if you want to delete means we delete that 40 first, not 10. So this is last in first out manner. Stack works in a last in first out manner. So in stack only we insert and delete the elements from only one end. We use only one end, that is top. Okay, so stack works in a last in first out manner. So stack is a collection of data elements with the accessing restriction that elements can be added or removed from the only one end, and also known as, it is also known as a push down stack. Okay, first how it works, first element is placed at the bottom. Here the first element is inserted at the bottom, placed at the bottom of the stack. Rest of the elements are pushed onto the stack in a decreasing order of addresses. This is bottom, na, this is bottom, is this address is 2000, then 2000 1996 minus 4, then minus 4 1992, decreasing order of the addresses. So why minus 4 means this is a word address. Now word address how we represent 0 4 8, word means 4 bytes, na. So we decreasing we use the minus 4 for decreasing the word address. Okay, so the first element is placed in this bottom, and then in the decreasing order, that is in the 2000 location we place 10, and in the 1996 we place 20, and 1992 we place 30, like that. In the decreasing address of the stack we will insert the what elements to the stack. So in order to keep track of the topmost element of the stack, the processor maintains the register called a stack pointer. So I had told na top of the stack. In data structure we use the top. So here we using the stack pointer, that is SP2, in order to keep track the topmost element of the stack. For initially this SP pointing to the first element. After inserting first element, the SP is incremented, that is stack pointer is incremented, and the second element is inserted. Again the stack pointer is incremented, third element, that is 150, is incremented, and it is stack pointer incremented, then the fourth element inserted. Likewise we insert the element to the stack. To keep track of this topmost element of the stack, the processor maintains the register called the stack pointer, that is SP. So the stack pointer will always have the address of the topmost element of the stack. This has the this SP having the address of the topmost element of the stack. Okay, then so let's see some of the operation that can be performed on a stack. So one is push operation and the pop operation. Push operation means inserting the element to the stack is called a push operation. So pop operation means deleting the elements from the stack is called a pop operation. So to perform push operation, first stack pointer should be decremented. Decremented in the sense we have to the address is decremented here na. In the decreasing order of the address we insert the element to the stack na. So initially the stack pointer is pointing here, that is last element. Then if you want to insert any element to the stack means we have to decrement that address here. So initially it is having the address 2000 means if you want to insert means it is having the 2000 having if 2000 having the value 10 means if you want to insert element to this next element means we have to decrement that address 2000 minus 4, that is 1996. In the 1996 we insert the next element. Okay, so to perform push operation we need to decrement the stack pointer. For example, how we use that? Subtract hash 4 means hash means that is immediate addressing mode na. So subtract hash 4 comma SP. So what is the SP value? It always having the address of the topmost element na. So initially here in this case we are having the address, which address we are having 2000. So from 2000 we have to decrement, subtract minus 4. So 2000 minus 4 means 1996. So in a 1996 we insert the next element. Same like to insert any element to the stack, we have to first decrement the value of the stack pointer, then move new element comma SP. Move new element comma SP means, so what is the new element, like 20 na, that will be moved to the new address of that SP, that is initially it is having 2000, we decremented 1996 it will. Okay, so the 20 will, that is the new element is what, 20, that new element is inserted to the what, 1996 position. Here you can see, so in address of the SP places the value from the memory new element के SP stack we are inserting the new element. Suppose the new element is 80, then it is placed in a address 1980. So it takes the 1980 means here we consider this address. So this one here stack pointer is 1984 na. So if we decrement by 4 means it will point here na 1980, to the 1980 it will 80 is inserted. So they consider this example. Okay, so next pop operation. Pop operation means deleting the elements from the stack is called a pop operation. So to perform pop operation, first the element to be popped, first element is deleted and then is popped, placed in some memory location, and then stack pointer is incremented. So incremented means its address is incremented. Okay, here move sp comma item. So we are moving that element. Deleting means we are moving that, we are taking that element and it is moved to the other memory location, and then the top is incremented. Here if you want to delete means how we delete, that the 175 is there na, it is moved to the another memory location, and then start of sp, that is stack pointer, is incremented, that is 1984 plus 4 means 1988 na, it will come here. So if you want to delete this 20 means this 20 is move to the other memory location, and then we increment the stack pointer. Increment means decreasing order na. So the sp is pointing here 1988 na, plus 4. Why plus 4 means it is an word address, so we are incrementing a plus 4. So 1988 plus 4 means 1992, it will come here. Likewise we deleting the what elements of the stack. Okay, this is pop operation. Pop operation, that is move sp comma item. Item is one memory location. We are moving the content of, what is the content of the sp, pointing na, that to the new some other memory location, and add hash comma sp. Sp we mentioned this brace means, within the brace means content, the value. So but only sp means on the address. Okay, so add hash 4 comma sp means sp is pointing where, the sp is pointing 1994 plus 4, add 4 means 1988. Likewise we delete the elements from the stack. These are the two operations that can be performed on the stack, that is push operation and the pop operation. So next is queue. So queue is a it is also a special type of data structure. In queue, the first, it operates in an first in last out data structure. The stack is last in first out, LIFO. This queue is first in last out, FIFO. So means how it works means, for example, consider this is a theater ticket counter. So you people are standing here to take a ticket. So this is a first you insert na, this is queue means, this is a queue means the first person, this is the first person came here, and behind that the second person came here, and third person came here na. This is the first person. So the first person only take the ticket first and then go out, that is first in first out, first in first out. This is FIFO. Queue works in a FIFO. In stack, how it works, the first record, second record, third record, this is first inserted, this is last inserted. If I take it for correction, last inserted is taken out first, that is last in first out, that is LIFO. Stack queue, first in, this person came first, then he take the ticket first and come out, that is first in first out, FIFO. Queue is FIFO, works in a FIFO order, and the stack works in a LIFO order, last in first out. Okay, this is a queue. So a queue is a first in last out data structure. If queue is assumed to grow in a higher address, then elements are added to the higher and the elements are removed from the lower. So in the queue, elements are inserted from one end and deleted from the different end. In stack, insertion and deletion from same end na. So in queue, it is inserted and deleted from the different end. This is an in, that is front end and the rear end. This is an queue means, this is the first person here, second person, third person, and last person. That means it will go here, that is front end, insertion from the front end and deletion from the rear end. If the first person come here, then it is incremented, the second person, then incremented third person, it will go here, means this point in front end that is front and rear. We use front and rear, it will go here. And if you want to delete, means this pointer, that is front pointer, is pointing to the last person. Now, so if you want to delete, means if you remove that person, means we remove from the here, no, so it won't come back. So we use the other end, that is rear end. From the rear end we delete the elements from the queue. So from the front end we insert the elements, and from the rear end we delete the elements from the queue. So in queue we insert insertion and deletion from the different ends. Okay, in stack only one end, insertion and deletion is from the only one end. Then stack can be managed by only one pointer, in but queue it is managed by using a two pointers, one at the beginning and one at the end, one at the beginning and one at the end. So this is about queue.